Hey children, have you ever wondered what's life like in a desert? Today, in the chapter of Life in the Deserts, we will check this out. First, let's check what a desert is. Desert is an arid region characterized by extremely high or low temperatures and has scarce vegetation. Depending on the temperatures, there can be hot deserts or cold deserts. Now that we've discovered what deserts are, let's journey to the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world, and explore its vast landscapes and secrets. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest, spans around 8.54 million square kilometers. It touches 11 countries: Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, and Western Sahara. Sahara's landscape features gravel plains and elevated plateaus with rocky surfaces, reaching heights exceeding 2,500 meters in some areas. Having explored the vastness of the Sahara, it's time to dive into what makes it truly extreme: the climate of the Sahara Desert. Let's find out how hot and cold it can really get. Sahara Desert climate is extreme, scorching hot and parched dry. It has a short rainy season. The sky is cloudless and clear. Here, the moisture evaporates faster than it accumulates. The temperatures during the day may soar as high as 50 degrees Celsius, heating up the sand and the bare rocks, which in turn radiates heat, making everything around hot. The nights may be freezing cold with temperatures nearing 0 degrees. With such extreme weather, you might wonder what kind of life survives here. Next, we'll meet the resilient flora and fauna that call the Sahara Desert home. Sahara's animal species include camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, lizards, scorpions, and various snakes. Vegetation comprises cactus, date palms, and acacia trees. Oasis areas feature date palms surrounded by greenery, serving as green islands in the desert landscape. Plants and animals have adapted to live in the Sahara, but what about humans? Let's discover the fascinating cultures and lifestyles of the people in the Sahara. The Sahara Desert is home to diverse nomadic tribes like the Bedouins and Tuaregs. Bedouins and Tuaregs rear livestock including goats, sheep, camels, and horses. They utilize animal products like milk, hides for leather goods, and hair for mats, carpets, and clothing. From the scorching heat of the Sahara, let's travel to a place where deserts are cold. Our next stop is Ladakh, a cold desert that offers a totally different desert experience. Ladakh is a cold desert lying in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. The Karakoram Range in the north and the Zanskar Mountains in the south enclose it. Several rivers flow through Ladakh, and among them, Indus being the most important. Now that we've arrived in Ladakh, let's wrap up warm as we learn about the extreme cold desert climate here and how it shapes this beautiful and rugged landscape. Ladakh's high-altitude terrain, ranging from 3,000 meters to over 8,000 meters, creates an extreme cold desert climate with minimal precipitation. Summer temperatures barely rise above freezing, going to below -30 degrees Celsius at night. Despite these challenges, the region boasts stunning landscapes and unique wildlife like the snow leopard. Influenced by Tibetan Buddhism, Ladakh is home to historic monasteries and has become a growing tourist destination for its natural beauty and adventure activities. However, climate change threatens its fragile ecosystem, emphasizing the need for sustainable conservation measures. In such a cold place, you might think nothing could survive. But you'd be surprised. Up next, we'll discover the unique flora and fauna that thrive in Ladakh. Due to Ladakh's high aridity, vegetation is sparse with scattered patches of grasses and shrubs, providing limited grazing for animals. Valleys feature groves of willows and poplars, while summers bring forth blooming fruit trees like apples, apricots, and walnuts. Bird enthusiasts can spot robins, redstarts, Tibetan snowcock, ravens, and hoopoes, with some being migratory. Among the region's wildlife are wild goats, sheep, yaks, and unique dog breeds. These animals are primarily reared for their milk. After meeting the local wildlife, it's time to learn about the people who live in this harsh climate. Let's explore the lives of the people of Ladakh and how their culture shines bright. People of Ladakh are either Muslims or Buddhists. In fact, several Buddhist monasteries dot the Ladakhi landscape with their traditional gompas. Some famous monasteries are Hemis, Thikse, She, and Lamuru. The women work not only in the house and fields, but also manage small business and shops. Tourism is a major activity with several tourists streaming in from within India and abroad. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all, you also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 7. Thank you.